This is the Cadd9 chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com to teach you the Cadd9 guitar chord. So the Cadd9 actually resembles the G, only these two fingers will come down here. So your first finger will go onto the second fret of the D, your middle finger goes to the third fret of the A string, your ring finger goes to the third fret of the B, and your pinky goes right below that onto the high E string at the third fret, and you'll be strumming strings 1 through 5, so down from the A string. Now pluck all your strings one by one, and make sure that you don't hear any strings buzzing or you don't hear any dampened notes. And in case you do, there are a few things you can do. Just make sure your fingers are arched up, so they're not laying down flat like this. They need to be arched up, and just make sure none of your fingers are touching any adjacent strings there, because they'll mute those notes as well, okay? Now let's practice the Cadd9 chord by using the chord on, chord off technique. So let's just hold down the chord shape, strum it once, mute it, take your fingers off, and put your fingers back into that exact chord shape, okay? Chord off, chord on. Chord off, chord on. Chord off, on. A quick tip if you're having difficulty with this chord shape is to put your first finger down first, and after that one the other fingers are easier to line up. Now let's just practice the Cadd9 chord by putting it into a chord progression, and a very common one you'll come across is the G Cadd9 D chord progression, okay? And it'll go like this. So that's a very common chord progression. You'll hear loads of songs. It's great fun to play actually, and it'll really get you practicing that Cadd9. And that's how you play the Cadd9 chord.